Welcome to Amazing Picks. Camping is all about escaping the ordinary, but having the right tent can make or break your adventure. Today, we're diving into the top 6 camping tents of 2024, covering everything you need to know: size, durability, weatherproofing, and more. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned explorer, we've got you covered. Links to all the details are in the description, so let's get started. Number 1. Best overall, Coleman Sundome 4-person tent. First up is the Coleman Sundome, a tent that has dominated outdoor gear lists for years, and for good reason. It's built with WeatherTech technology, featuring patented welded floors and inverted seams that keep you dry even during the heaviest downpours. The frame is designed to withstand winds of up to 35 miles per hour, so no matter where your adventure takes you, this tent holds up. Inside, it's spacious enough to fit a queen-size air mattress and still leave room for your gear. With large windows and a ground vent, ventilation is excellent, keeping condensation to a minimum. The setup is refreshingly simple, taking just 10 minutes thanks to the continuous pull sleeves and Instaclip attachments. Plus, the rainfly is included, so you're ready for any weather. This tent's reliability and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for families or groups of 4. Number 2. Best for solo adventures, Nemo Hornet Elite 1P. For solo campers or ultralight enthusiasts, the Nemo Hornet Elite 1P is the perfect companion. Weighing just under 2 pounds, it's designed to go wherever you go without weighing you down. Its single-pole setup is incredibly quick and intuitive, ideal for minimalists who don't want to fumble with gear at the end of a long hike. The tent's unique flybar pole clip system maximizes headroom without adding weight, giving you a surprising amount of interior space for a one-person tent. The tendonier nylon ripstop rainfly is treated with a silicone coating, making it durable and fully waterproof. On warm nights, you'll appreciate the no-see-um mesh that keeps bugs out while offering stunning stargazing views. With added gear storage thanks to its dual vestibules, the Nemo Hornet proves that compact doesn't mean compromising on features. Number 3. Best for large groups, Core 9-person extended dome tent. If your idea of camping includes the whole crew, the Core 9-person extended dome tent delivers big. With 16 by 9 feet of floor space, this tent comfortably sleeps up to 9 people, or fits 3 queen-size air mattresses. It's a fantastic option for family outings or group trips where space is a priority. The standout feature here is the adjustable ground vents, which work with the oversized rainfly to keep airflow consistent and interior conditions comfortable. The tent's 68D polyester fabric is both waterproof and durable, while the taped seams provide extra protection against leaks. Setup is straightforward for a tent this size, thanks to pre-attached poles and an intuitive design. One of the best parts? The gear loft and multiple pockets, which help keep everything organized inside. With its combination of space, durability, and user-friendly features, the Core 9-person extended dome is the ultimate tent for big adventures. Number 4. Best for all-season use, ALPS Mountaineering Tasmanian 2-person tent. If you're braving the elements and need a tent that performs year-round, the ALPS Mountaineering Tasmanian 2-person tent is your go-to choice. Built for extreme conditions, this tent boasts a robust 2-pole design with 7000 series aluminum poles that hold firm against high winds and heavy snow. The polyester fabric is UV-resistant and fully waterproof, ensuring that rain or shine, you'll stay dry and protected. Inside, the tent offers 34 square feet of space, more than enough for 2 campers plus gear. Dual vestibules add additional storage, so your backpacks and boots stay out of the way, yet easily accessible. Setting it up is quick thanks to its pole clips, which snap effortlessly over the poles. Ventilation is optimized with zippered mesh doors, roof vents, and large fly vents to keep airflow consistent. The ALPS Mountaineering Tasmanian is a rugged tent designed for mountaineers, winter campers, or anyone tackling tough conditions, delivering comfort without compromising on durability. Number 5. Best budget option, Kelty Discovery. 2-person tent camping on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice quality, and the Kelty Discovery 2-person tent proves it. This tent is perfect for casual campers or beginners who want reliability at an affordable price. Its easy-to-pitch X-pole design simplifies setup, letting you focus on enjoying your outdoor escape. The durable 68D polyester material is paired with a waterproof rainfly, offering solid weather protection for mild to moderate conditions. Inside, you'll find just the right amount of space for 2 campers with extra room in the vestibule for stashing gear. At just over 4 pounds, it's lightweight enough for short backpacking trips, but spacious and comfortable for car camping. With a focus on simplicity and functionality, the Kelty Discovery tent is ideal for campers who want a straightforward and budget-friendly option. Number 6. Best luxury tent, the North Face. Wawona 6. For those who want to elevate their camping experience to a glamping level, the North Face Wawona 6 is the perfect pick. This spacious tent offers a whopping 86 square feet of interior space, easily accommodating 6 people with room to spare. What sets it apart is the enormous front vestibule, which feels more like a sunroom or gear garage, providing a dry space to lounge, change, or stash gear. Built with durable 75D polyester and featuring a full coverage rainfly, this tent handles unpredictable weather with ease. The interior ceiling is extra high, giving even tall campers plenty of headroom, and mesh pockets keep your gear organized and off the floor. Despite its size, the Wawona 6 is surprisingly easy to set up, thanks to its color-coded poles and intuitive design. It's a dream for families or groups looking for a premium tent that combines comfort, durability, and versatility for extended camping trips. And that's it for today's amazing picks. Whether you're camping solo, with family, or with friends, these top tents have you covered for any adventure. Ready to grab yours? Check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a pick. Happy camping, and we'll see you in the next one.